This is for Year 12 Specialists. It comes out of question number 3 in 10C. A car travels from rest for 15 seconds. So I'm going to draw a velocity time curve. And when I'm wanting to find the distance travelled, I want the area under the velocity time curve. So it starts from rest and travels for 15 seconds with uniform acceleration until it reaches 100 kilometers per hour. Then it travels at a constant speed, so that was for 15 seconds, then a constant speed for 120 seconds, so that's 135, and finally decelerates at a uniform at 8 meters per second squared until it stops. Calculate the total distance travelled. Okay, so the gradient of that is 8. Okay, I have a problem, that's in kilometres per hour, but these are all metres per second and seconds, therefore I'm going to change this to kilometres per hour. To go from kilometres per hour to metres per second, divide by 3.6. Now why is that? Well, 100 kilometres per hour, I need to change by 1000 to turn it into metres, and I need to divide it by 60 to change the hours into minutes, and also divide by another 60 to get the minutes into seconds. So in effect I've got 1000 over 3600, which is dividing it or multiplying by 1 on 3.6. So on my calculator that's going to be 250 on 9, 100 divided by 3.6, so that's 250 on 9. So what is the total distance travelled? It's going to be this one, which will be 1/2 times 15 times 250 on 9, plus this one, which will be 120 times 250 on 9, plus this one. So if I start and just look at this uniform acceleration, v equals u plus at, the velocity is 0 at the end. It starts at 250 on 9 plus negative 8t, therefore 8t equals 250 on 9, t equals 250 on 9 times 8. Therefore this area here will be 1/2 times 250 on 9 times the distance across, which is 250 on top of 9 times 8. And jumping on my calculator, I get this has been 625 on 3 for this first bit. This rectangle in the middle is 1000 divided by 3, and this triangle on the end is 15625 on 324. Adding all that together uses this distance, which is my distance travelled. And if I turn that into decimal, that gives me an answer of 3,589.89 metres.